Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here again with an amazing, interesting new question. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So without wasting any further time, let's get started on the question we have today right now with us. So the question today I have is, hi, I have a medical billing company. We provide end-to-end revenue cycle services for doctors in USA. So it's like you have a software for doctors in USA. We need doctors to sign up for our services. Understood? Because you're targeting doctors. We provide free trials with anytime cancellation. That is a very good thing that you are providing free trials. It is a very good CTA. CTA means call to action, and that is a very good one. Will Google Ads work for the above requirement? If so, what kind of a campaign should we target to start with? Okay, so that is that is very good that you have asked the question. In case if you need such services, if you or even the listener needs such services, me and my team can help you. And the details are in the description of this video. In case if you want to work with us regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads, or even SEO or landing page management, setup, creation, or anything. So let's get started on your question. Okay. Yeah, definitely Google Ads can work. Even Facebook Ads can work. If you ask me what strategy is going to be work for them, is I'd recommend retargeting strategy is very important. Retargeting and specialized strategy for the people who opted for your services as a free trial. So I will create campaign and strategy Uh, for people who are already using our free trial. Okay, I have this strategy. Plus for Google Ads, I'm going to recommend you to go with the Google Ads call campaign or lead campaign. Okay, what happens with the lead campaign is that when you create a Google Ads call campaign or lead campaign, it actually gets the information regarding this. Every audience is different, and I can understand that doctors are busy, so you may need to put on your effort regarding calls to convince them to finally offer this. And since it's a one-time deal and can make you a long-term customer, recurring based customers, because it's a medical billing company, the softwares are on the recurring based model. So you may have to put a lot of effort at the start, but that efforts are going to pay off in the long run, because that customer is going to be a long-term customer. Plus referrals, word of mouth is going to be amazing with this. So definitely Google Ads can work wonders with this, and Google Ads call campaign or lead campaign is definitely the perfect formula. Let me even show you how you can do it. So this is the typical dashboard for any Google accounts. Just move on to the new campaign from over here. Once you select the new campaign, you can now see over here that this is an option of a leads campaign, which I'm recommending you that you can opt for this campaign. And that is a very good way to create campaign and goals and to generate more data. You can also select sales for call campaign, but leads campaign is going to be my personal preference, and the process is very easy. And in case if you need me or my team service, we are more than ready to help you and work you out with this. Just make sure to have an optimized landing page. Optimized landing page is the key. I have been explaining on to different people that your landing page should be highly optimized with multiple CTAs, call to action, buy now, act now. Simply, without scrolling much, every information should be displayed on the main page, and CTAs, call number, form, to connect with the doctor. So I hope you like this answer. So in case if you need our services, the details are in the description of this video. And thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So thank you.